Meaning of genocidal.
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 Genocidal. The term genocidal refers to actions or policies that aim to destroy a particular group of people based on their ethnicity, race, religion, or nationality. These actions can include mass killing, torture, forced displacement, and other human rights violations. The result of genocidal actions is catastrophic, often leading to the complete annihilation of a group of people and leaving a lasting impact on not only the targeted group but also society as a whole. It is a heinous crime against humanity and a grave violation of international law.